Hello, my name is Lauren from Somerset Libraries, and today we're going to be doing another summer reading challenge craft. So today we're going to make some juggling balls, okay? So what you will need is you'll need an adult, first off, because it is a bit tricky, but what you need to make it is you'll need about half a cup of rice, which we've got in a jug here. You'll need a pair of scissors, 2 different coloured balloons, and we've got nappy bags. You'll need 2 nappy bags or a sandwich bag. We're going with nappy bags today because that's what we had, okay? So first, you need to get your 2 nappy bags and you need to put one inside the other. This is just to make it a little bit stronger and that so it doesn't break when it's got the rice in it, okay? So open up one and then we're going to put the other one in. Okay, so that's it ready to go. Next, we're going to take our rice and put it in the inside bag, okay? So make sure it's all in there, okay? So at this point, we're going to grab it up and move it around to make a ball shape. As you can see, it's like a ball now. It's starting to look a little bit like the shape of the ones we've already made. And we're going to fold this excess bit around the ball so it's still got that ball shape, okay? So that's ready to go. So the next bit is we need to take our first balloon and cut the neck off of it, okay? Ooh. So we're going to cut the neck off the balloon. So it just leaves you with the circular bit at the top, okay? So this is the really tricky bit, and this is the bit that you might need adults' help with because it is tricky. So you need to stretch it out and we've got to wrap it around our ball of rice, okay? So, got to really stretch it, pushing it and getting it in to the balloon. So there we go. Starting to go in there. Push the rice in, pull the balloon, and you've got your thing. You might need to move it around a bit to make it more of a ball shape, okay? The next bit, you'll have to get your second coloured balloon and cut the neck off that one as well. So we don't want that bit. Ooh. Right, so there's our second coloured ball. This is, if you wanted to decorate it and make it spotty, this is the point. You could cut extra holes in the top of it, like this one, and it does a spotted look, okay? I'm not going to do that for this one. I'm just going to give it a green look. So we need to go over the top of this one. If we make sure we're going to put it over the top of this hole to cover it so the rice doesn't fall out, okay? So we've got to go over that bit and push it all the way and pull it all the way around the ball. Okay, so there it is. You can move it around so it looks more like a ball. So we've got our ball there. At this point you might want to decorate it maybe with some stickers or a marker pen so you can draw some funny faces or whatever you like on it, okay? But we have our juggling ball, okay? So now we've got 3 juggling balls, we can learn to juggle. I can't juggle, so I'm not going to try, okay? But there is our balls. So if you like that video, you can like and share it with anyone. You can like us on Facebook at Somerset Libraries Bridgewater, or you can go over to Twitter and follow us on Somerset Libraries at Somerset Lib, and on Instagram at Somerset Libraries. Thank you very much for watching.